Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then in this left section we have to scroll until we will find the passwords and accounts. Of course, if you want to, you can do it with the usage of this Google section, but to be honest, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we do not have any accounts added in this account section, so let's start with it. Let's tap on Add Account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, and let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to, you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the information. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Okay, I don't want to do it right now, but you can always add your phone number or any other email to have a kind of a backup account, and you will be able to manage your Google account better. But let me just tap on Not Now, and here we've got the shortcut of the backup and storage info, but let me simply tap on Accept because it should open in this kind of modern section, but as you can see, it does not in this case, but that's okay. Basically, the backup said that your device will back up the apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So that was the information shown before. And as you can see here, we've got our account added to this device. And of course, if you want to, you can remove it. And it's quite easy. Simply tap on it, tap on Remove Account, and tap on Remove Account again. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to confirm it. So let me enter the pattern. And as you can see, we just successfully removed the Google account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.